miles de besos y caricias que te di se fueron con el viento cuando te perdí. Aún siguen razones por cual puedo discutir, pero no me importa, te quiero junto a mí. Hoy no quiero que me digas que estás confundida. Quiero una respuesta directa del corazón. Ya ha pasado tiempo, yo ya no lo soporto. No me...
What is up, everybody? It's your boy Chubbs. Welcome back to the video. Alright, so today we're out here in Riverside. We came to the previous truck owner's house. We're going to be doing a hood swap today. And man, the truck's going to look even better with that hood swap. Sorry, it is very windy. It's not as bad as Fontana is though, but it's still pretty windy out here. But like I said, we're going to be doing a hood swap. We're going to be putting that street concept hood on the giveaway truck. So, and once again, I want to thank every single one of you guys for supporting. You guys have been blowing me up with some orders and keeping me busy. So appreciate you guys a lot. Good luck to everybody that's entering. Thank you guys. Let's get into the video. Mira nomás qué chulada. Damn.
Hi.
Hello.
How you doing? Normal fit.
Alright, so Ramon's already been working on the truck, taking off all the bolts already to get this badass head off from Street Concept. Yeah. I got it from you. Okay, I think I can get it by hand now.
Yeah, no. Want me to go on that side, bro? Or you got it?
I got it. Carlos, you ready?
Yep.
Where are we going?
Stop for your camera. Right here, you see those chairs? Okay. I measured it already, so. Oh my god! Can we open this?
Alright guys, so I want you guys to start thinking what colors. Well, we're gonna color match most of the hood. But for the vents, what color do you guys think we should go? I don't know, you guys tell me. But that's gonna be the color of the truck. What about all this, guys? You guys tell me. Put it down in the comments. Man, this truck's gonna look badass.
Yeah, you think so? It's crazy how all that Bondo.
I got it. Tilt it. I got it.
So, where should we set?
Man, that's again macho. Damn. Ladies, hit him up. Damn, we should just leave it like that and put a fat ass turbo.
Badass turbo and a supercharger and a pro charger all in one.
All at the same time?
You want to do the ZL1 first?
Yeah, let's do that one first.
The harder one first.
Yeah.
Okay, before we do that, do you think we should use the old bolts? Because probably the new ones won't. Drop with 20 fucking.
Wait. Alright guys, you ready to see this? You guys ready or what? Alright, drop it, bro.
Transformation. I'll close it.
Oh. That's just gonna be hard, dude.
Giveaway's over.
Oh, what?
Yeah,
close it?
man. I didn't close it yet. Want me to close it?
nothing to.
Should connect.
What, nothing?
No, nothing.
Oh, dude, it was that. I need to go lower though. But I want to like it. Make some noise.
I'm gonna record.
I'm making noise.
What do you guys think? Looks good, huh? Now we're gonna install the HD hood on this the single cab, and then get going so we could take some pictures of this one and post them and a thumbnail. So that'll be pretty much it for most of the video, but it looks badass. Tell me what you guys think, and tell me what color you guys want the vents to be, because for sure all this is gonna be color matched with the truck. So let me know, guys. Put it down in the comments what you guys think we should paint the middle part. All right, guys, a bunch of trucks showed up, dude. Look, god damn. There's the next giveaway, guys. Damn. With a bad diff. Alright, well that was a pretty cool way to end the video. Alright, but that's gonna be it for this video. Catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully you guys like this mod that we did to the truck. Man, it looks way better, and once this color match is gonna be even more sick. So watch, check it out, guys, man. Stay tuned, get your merch, don't forget. Oh man, actually once you guys are watching this, it's not gonna be 20-time entries anymore. We're gonna go back to normal entries. Every $10 is one entry. So get your guys' entries in, guys. Man, truck's gonna be badass. Look at it. Oh yeah. Alright, let's go picture of it.
That's the main point part.
Wait. Everybody's gonna get mad. They're like, why are you scraping my truck? Go ahead.
Right. Hey, you guys, I don't mean to do that. It's naturally low, so I'm gonna go slow.
There you go. It didn't scrape that much.
Okay.
Right there.
Lights off.